In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add task in ClickUp. First, open ClickUp and head to the overview of your team space in your workspace. The overview page gives you a central place to see what's going on, and most importantly for this tutorial, it's where you can quickly jump into the right spot to add a new task. From here, choose any list where you want the task to live. Lists are the containers that hold tasks, and picking the correct one helps keep your work organized and visible to the right people. If you're not sure which list to use, select the one that matches the project or area of work you're updating. Inside the list, look for the Add Task button. Click it to open the task creation panel. If you see a small menu with options, select Task. This ensures you're creating a standard task rather than something like a subtask or a different item type. Give your task a clear name. Type a short action-oriented title that explains the outcome you want, like Draft Q2 Report or Prepare Design Review. A good name makes it easy to scan and prioritize later. Next, click Add Description. This is where you provide context, requirements, and any useful notes. Include what success looks like, links to resources, or quick instructions for whoever will work on it. The description can save a lot of back and forth and helps the task stand on its own. If your team uses reusable structures, click Templates. Templates can pre-fill the description and other details so you don't start from scratch each time. Choose a template that fits your use case, or simply close this if you don't need one. When everything looks good, click Create Task. Your new task will appear in the list and be ready to track. You can always refine details later from the task view, but getting the title and core description in place now ensures the work doesn't get lost. There's also a faster way to add a task from almost anywhere. Near the home area, click the plus sign to open the Quick Create menu, then choose Task. This shortcut is handy when you want to capture something immediately without navigating through lists first. After selecting Task, you'll follow the same flow. Name it, add a description if needed, and create it. That's it. You've learned how to add a task from a list and how to use the Quick Add option near home. Keep your titles clear, add just enough context in the description, and use templates to speed things up. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in ClickUp.